Hi, this is Shatarupa coming to you at 1:30 a.m. in the night. It has been such a hot and sultry day, but now finally we have some relief. There's this wonderful breeze that is blowing, the trees are swishing, the chimes are going off, and there is distant lightning and thunder. So I thought, what better to do than to bring you these refreshing, calming, soothing sounds of the rustling of the trees around here in the forest and the rain sounds. The water, wow, there's been this immense streak of lightning and thunder. Can you hear that? It's gone right from the top to the bottom right of the horizon, that streak of lightning. Oh, so the wind is quite stiff, so one can hear a few doors rattling in the distance, but on the whole, it's the trees and the rain. Waiting for the next gust so that the chimes go off. The silver oak and the palms and the various other trees in front that I'm so fond of mentioning are absolutely dancing in the breeze. They seem to be smiling in the middle of the night. It's pretty overcast, so can't see the moon anywhere. But is it a feeling of great respite? A little while ago, there was this kind of a storm, and the skies were looking all dusty even in the middle of the night. But now they're looking kind of navy gray, darkish, but pretty clean. So bye for now. Get some restful, sleepy times ahead, and catch you in the morning. Bye.